as days pass us by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain.
Hi, Gary here. I'm back with another Lightroom settings video. Today, we're going to go for a premium black Lightroom settings, where you can apply it on your boutique cafe photos, your workshop photos, your tech gadget photos, and more. The main aim of this settings or preset is to remove the saturation of all colors except for orange and red, and let the whites to be -100 to allow the black color to be the main character of the story or of your picture. Okay, let's get started.
Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's learn how to edit the easy way together with Gary's Tech Playground. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.